Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be recreating this look, and this is the Soptomi Night look. I have created a brown shimmery smoky eye with burgundy lips, and this is a very vibrant look and I hope you will like it. So before moving on to the video, if you still did not subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's move into the video. So today I'm going to start with my eye makeup first, and for that I'm going to conceal my eyelids with NY Bay concealer in the shade Golden Central 3. I'm going to just dab the concealer with my fingers. This will make the color pop even more. Next, to set the concealer, I am using L'Oreal Matte Magic All-in-One Compact Powder, and my shade is Golden Ivory. Today I'm going to do a brown glitter smoky eye look, and for that I'm going to use a brown eyeliner from Lakme Iconic Eyes. Just lining my entire lid with the brown eyeliner. You don't have to be neat here because anyway you will smudge it later. Just remember not to go over your crease. And then I am smudging the tip. And now from my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, I am taking this brown shade and using it as a transition shade. Now taking the same Lakme Iconic brown eyeliner, I am lining my lower waterline and lash line and just smudging it out. Next I am going to take this small shimmer pot which I bought from a local store at a very reasonable price, and I will apply this on top of my brown kajal. So the shimmer looks like this. Now just blending it out to remove any sharp edges. Using the same glitter shade, I'm just gonna put it on my lower lash line. Now I'll do my eyebrows with Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. I'll highlight the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bones with this golden shimmery shade. Now I'll lift the eye makeup to that, and we'll start with my face makeup. So for foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and my shade is 106 Sun Beige. Next for concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand Sable. Concealing and highlighting the inner corner of my eyes. Also concealing the bridge of my nose, my forehead and the chin part. Now setting the base with my L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact. Just going back and putting the shimmer on my lower lash line again. Next to contour, I am using the NY Bay contour stick in the shade Raising Toast in Roosevelt. Now setting the contour with ADS the Bum palette and using the shade Sexy Mama from it. For blush, I am using Maybelline Color Show blush in the shade Fresh Coral. And since it's a night look, I am going a little over the board. For highlighting the high points of my face, I am again using the Bum palette, and this time I am using the Bahama Mama shade. For lipstick, I'm going to go with the Burgundy shade from Huda Beauty. And that is the finished look. This look is very vibrant and very gorgeous, and you can wear it with both Indian and Western outfits. So I hope you like this look. Do let me know in the comment section below. I personally love this kind of vibrant looks. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to put a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you still did not. And also press the Chotusa notification bell just right next to the subscription tab. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.